Everyone. In this lecture, we'll see about architecture and software development lifecycle of the UML. First, we'll see about the architecture. This figure shows the architecture of a software-intensive system, which can be described by 5 interlocking views. These views are use case view, design view, process view, deployment view, and implementation view. The use case view of a system consists of the use cases that describe the behavior of the system by its end user, analyst, and testers. This view does not really specify the organization of software system. Rather, it specifies the forces that shape the system's architecture. Next, the design view. The design view of the system consists of the classes, interfaces, and collaborations that form the vocabulary of a problem and its solution. This view primarily supports the functional requirements of the system, that is, the services that the system should provide to its end users. The third view is the process view. The process view of the system covers the threads and the processes that form the system's concurrency and synchronization mechanisms. This view primarily deals with the performance, scalability, and throughput of the system. The next view is the implementation view. The implementation view of a system consists of the components and files that are used to assemble and release the physical system. And the last one is the deployment view. The deployment view of a system consists of the nodes that form the system's hardware topology on which the system executes. This view deals with the distribution, delivery, and installation of the parts that make the physical system. Each of these 5 views can stand alone so that different stakeholders can focus on the different issues of the system's architecture. These 5 views also interact with one another. Now we'll see about the SDLC, that is the software development lifecycle. The UML is largely process independent. To get the most benefit from the UML, you should consider a process that is use case driven, architecture centric, iterative, and incremental. Use case driven means that use cases are used as primary artifact for establishing the desired behavior of the system, for verifying and validating the system's architecture, for testing, and for communicating among the stakeholders of the project. Architecture centric means that the system's architecture is used as a primary object for conceptualizing, constructing, managing, and evolving the system under development. An iterative process is one that involves managing a stream of executable releases. An incremental process is one that involves the continuous integration of the system's architecture to produce the releases with each new improvements over the other. Now we'll see about the SDLC. This figure shows 4 phases of software development life cycle. These 4 phases are shown in this figure. The phases are inception, elaboration, construction, and transition. Inception is the first phase of the process. The seed idea of development is brought up into the inception phase. Elaboration is the second phase of the process. In this phase, the product vision and its architecture are defined. Also, in the elaboration phase, the system's requirements are articulated, priority is defined, and a baseline. The system's requirements may range from general vision statements to precise evaluation criteria. The third phase is the construction phase. In this phase, the software is brought from an executable architectural baseline to being ready to be transitioned to the user community. Here, the system's requirements and its evaluation criteria are constantly re-examined against the business needs of the project. The last one is the transition phase. In this phase, the software is turned into the hands of the user community. Rarely the software development process ends in this phase. During this phase, the system is continuously improved, bugs are removed, and the new features may be added. That is about the software development life cycle. That's the end of this lecture. Thank you.